If I do it quickly, it's 1, 2. Let's be honest. Taekwondo comes from karate. Yeah, I said it. So that means that pretty much all of the basic techniques found in Taekwondo Poomsae can be found in shuri-based karate styles. Now, if you dust off some of the old karate textbooks like Funakoshi's Karate Do Kyohan, you'll see that many of the OG Okinawan karate masters gave different explanations for the techniques found in the form than we're taught today. In fact, a whole circle of karate enthusiasts has emerged with the goal of finding the original purposes to the movements in the forms. Now, this comes with some controversy, but I've spent a lot of time studying the applications of karate movements, and I put together my own theory on the movements found in Taekwondo Poomsae. Let me show you what I mean using a low block as an example. Now, it's important to remember that the names given to the techniques in karate forms, or Poomsae in Taekwondo, are modern inventions, and original students didn't have standardized names. So the term low block is a modern name given to this particular movement. Now, obviously, you could use this movement to deflect an incoming low attack. But then why would you chamber like this using two hands? It's my belief that the movement we call low block is actually 3 techniques: 1 block and 2 strikes. Let's assume that this guy is striking at me. Okay, let's just pretend. Don't get too worked up. I don't have anybody here to help me. So the top hand, when I low block, comes up to my shoulder like this, right? You can use that as a block, as a parry. The same time, the other hand comes out like this. That could be a punch to the solar plexus, to the abdomen. So when I stage my low block, that could actually be a block and attack at the same time. Watch. Here it is again, so you can see it from the other side. So my chambering hand I use as a block, and the hand that extends out I use as a strike to the abdomen. So I go like this. You could make a whole bunch of drills just out of that one concept, where you're going like parry and punch, and you're going like parry and punch, and you're going like parry and punch. Now, what about the blocking hand itself, the one that drops down, that goes down low? That too can be a strike. That's the second strike. So from here, I block and strike at the same time. Now, when this hand pulls back to my hip, I'm going to use it to catch the arm and simultaneously throw a strike to the groin or bladder region. So I can parry punch and then turn into my low block and strike. If I do it quickly, it's 1, 2. It's 1, 2. This is not the best way to demonstrate. So if I do it quickly, if I put it all together, it's like this. It's like 1, 2. I grab the arm for my low block. 1, 2. You're stupid. I hate you.
I hate you.
Now, another way you can use this dropping hand movement is to clear a limb that's in your way. So let's say this dude gets his arm up in my way. So I try to hit him, and he's got his arm in the way. I can use the low block from here to clear the limb so I can access the target, the body or jaw, with my straight punch. This is often the first set of movements in a Poomsae, low block followed by a punching movement. So I could apply that by getting rid of the lead arm and then driving my punch across the target. If you step in, it gives you more power. Did you like that? Did you like me showing you how you could use a low block for like fighting and like self-defense stuff? If you liked it, tell me, leave a comment, say please do more, and I'll do more. If the only people in the comments are the guys who are like, try that on an MMA fighter, I'll be done. I'm not gonna make more. So I need positive feedback from the fans, from people who actually like this Taekwondo stuff. Also, visit my site tkdguide.com, where I'm working on the most comprehensive Taeguk forms course that the world has ever seen. It will include applications for the movements found in the Taeguk series. Go there right now.